Welcome to VG Forecast of Nifty Top 10 Stocks and Major Indexes. Today we are going to discuss about the Nifty, Bank Nifty, Gold, Silver, Crude, USD, INR, Bitcoin, and top 10 stocks according to their weightages. Okay, so some due to some technical issues, I was not able to record the videos on the Saturday. We'll continue today. Okay, we'll begin with the gold as usual. Structurally, gold hasn't changed much. It is consolidating, and we were looking for the buy here for upper targets, but it is consolidating and not a very sharp move for the upside. So we can confirm this once it crosses the level of this, maybe around 1759 or something. But the overall structure is looking for the buy because it is going a long consolidation from the level of 2076 or 2076 or 2075. From that level, it is consolidating after this brilliant move from the level of 1472. So there is a chances that it might come a little bit down, and again it will go and touch the level of 1860 or 1840 in case of gold. For example, if this is going up and it come one more downside, no issue. It will be going to go for at least 1840 or 1850 in case of gold. So hourly, we look how it is behaving. So here, just I'll make this as a trend line itself. Okay, it is on the trend line. So whenever it is crossing the level of 1790, so there is a chance it will go for slight downside before it can go any further up. So it might go down and go up after that. Change the color to red. So this is the trend. So look for sell only below 1790. Otherwise, stay in a buy. So there is a chance it might be like 1 and 2 here, like 3 and 4 here, whatever is going on. And after this correction, it will be going to the 5. And after that, we might get one more correction. There is a possibility, right? Until and unless it crosses the 1790, so don't look for the sell. Here you can look for the buy for at least 1754 or further up. So there is a chance it will go for upside if it is not crossing the 1790. So here I'm looking for the buy in case of gold. That is up to the level of 1755. Okay. Silver. Yeah. The silver we were in the buy earlier. Like this is a consolidation. It might go for B and C now. So I'm just removing everything. So again from the upper side, this will be the new trend line. Exactly, it's see here, exactly it reversed from there, and now it might do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the downside. So here is 1 and 2, or maybe this 3 and 4 and 5. After that, we'll be going one more up. There is a chance it will go for little bit down, maybe to the level of 24 USD once again. And after that, it will go for one up. After that, if it is correcting, then the whole structure will be like A, B, and C for the downside, or it will be like something ending here 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. After that, it will be going for the upside for the level of 28 USD or something. Okay. Presently, it is a consolidating. So after this move, it is a consolidating. So I will buy if it is coming near 24 or 25 USD for 28 and further upside. Okay. USD INR. So USD INR, we were in the buy, but it came little bit to the downside, but structurally hasn't changed much. It is in the slower form, so there is a chance it will go one more up. So look for buy for at least 73 and further to 74 and 76. Don't look for sell setup. If it is coming down also, there is a chance it will go and touch the high once again, or 80% of this total move, that will be 73.50 or 74. crude oil. So here it is. This downside move is a sharper. Right, so there is a chance it will be doing 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 because it is a slower one. So it will go inside, then it will come one down before it can go any further up or further down. So here, in case of crude now, presently, you can look for the small buy for 62 or 64. After that, we will be getting one correction for again 59 or something before it can go any further upside. Okay, or below this, if it is coming down, at least we are testing 58 and further down to 56 or something. So look for sell in case of crude oil, not to buy as of now. Okay, if it is coming to the level of 58 or to the upside, then downside we will be looking for the buy at 58 or 57 USD for further upside. Okay, about BTC USD. In case of Bitcoin, it is doing ABC kind of a structure. From this level, there might be some, it has broken here, but there is a chance that it will do flat, A, B here or B. There is a chance, but time wise, it won't be taking, I think, 200 or 250%. For the flat, it may take 300 to 400%, but here it is 100, 200, and maybe here it is 300. If something is going down, and if it is like C failure or something, then there is a possibility that it will go down. But most of the time, it will be doing the structure of the triangle or this whatever it is going in the new impulse. For example, let's say this is like 1, 2. Okay, this is 3 and 4, and 5 has done. So after this correction, so we'll be going one more up, or it's a part of the correction of 4. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So look for buy setup in case of Bitcoin USD. So here it might come and test the level of 52 or 51 once again before it can go any further upside for 60,000 and 66,000. Okay, so the Nifty, what it says. So I'm removing everything now. Exactly from this triangle or this channel, it reversed. The structure here is making that a triangle, that is A, B, and C. The overall structure is like A, this is B, and whatever is going for the C. Or again, there is a chance if it is going up, they do the structure like this. Means A, B, C, D, and E one more time. There is a chance. Otherwise, what will happen? The what structure we can expect is if it is not a triangle, then this will be the new impulse again for simple ABC kind of a structure. Okay, so that will be like a simple A here, A, B, and C for the upside. So overall structure in case of Nifty is looking buy. At least like if it is go to the level of let's say 1500, then it might reverse once again. So do a triangle followed by a simple ABC kind of a structure. Okay, so look for buy in case of Nifty by keeping the stop loss of 14,360 or something. So one can look for the buy in case of Nifty. Bank Nifty, and structurally hasn't changed much. It is crossing the level of this channel, but again it will may reverse here because after this one impulse this is a corrective form. So I'm just adjusting this. So look for the buy setup in case of Bank Nifty for upper levels, maybe to the 41,000 or something. So look for buy, not for the sell. So individual stocks now, HDFC. Structurally hasn't changed much, so I'm just removing everything. So here it's a slower form to the downside. So it's a good opportunity in case of HDFC. Here it is consolidating, so you may get a chance to buy here. The overall structure is like a extending or expanding triangle like structure. So if it is crossing the level of 2480, then we'll be looking for the sell, or by keeping the stop loss of this, we can enter from the level of 2555 for 2669 and further to the 80%. Okay, or if it is reversing from this structure, then we can look for downside. But until and unless it crosses the level of 2668, we are not looking for the buy. But here, if it is crossing the level of 2555 or 2566, then we'll be looking for the 2666. I mean, 100 points, maybe, yeah, 25662 to 2666. 100 points movement can be expected in case of HDFC. HDFC Bank, yes, it is a B going on. If it is like 61% or near 80%, so this overall structure is for the upside only. There is no sell, right? In the smaller zone, this might be the angle. So until if it is crossing the level of, let's say, 1490 or something, then buy for this, or at least 80% will be this and 100% will be this. Okay, can be look for the buy setup in case of HDFC Bank. Hindustan Unilever, we said the earlier, like look for the buy at least for the 61% or 80%. Brilliantly done in case of Hindustan Unilever. Say 2155, keep as a stop loss and look for the buy. See the moment here. It's brilliantly done. So what now or what next? So I'm removing everything now. So you can take this as a bottom and upside. From upside angle, this will be the resistance. So it may face some resistance here. If it is if the resistance is crossed comfortably, then we'll be looking for the 2480 or 2500. So because this moment is sharper, so if something has started here, I'll be taking this as a 1. So if it is crossing and consolidating here, that's a good sign. So we'll be moving one more upside for 2520. So look for buy in case of Hindustan Unilever, not to sell. ICICI Bank, similarly, ABC kind of a structure it is doing. So once it finishes the C, maybe to the level of 555, that is a good opportunity for buy for upside. That is 80%, means 640. Okay. Infosys, yeah. So 40, 20 it has done, but after that it comfortably crosses this trend line. See, these are very, very, very basic rules. If one follows, the wealth follows, that I can assure. Because the any moment, if we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if it crosses this level, okay, so we'll be entering into the sell and keeping the stop loss of this once again. So we can take the entry until and unless it breaks the channel, right? So let's say as you take as you have taken the entry here, the moment it crossed again at this point, if it is not in lesser time, we can wait. But if it is in faster, if it is crossing this level, then we will be selling. But here there is a chance that after this it might do one down. If it is a slower, then it will go. If it is faster, one more time it will be touching to the low. Or if it is very slow, then it will be going to go for upside. Okay, ITC, stay in a buy, we were in the buy. So here I said if it is a consolidating, it will go for the upside. So look for the buy for 250. There is no structural change in case of Kotak. So sorry, in ITC. In Kotak Mahindra, we were expecting it to do the structure that after triangle it is doing, but not as we expected. So it is going downside and it is upside. There is a chance if it is crossing the trend line of this, it will going to go for upside, or else it might touch the low once again to the level of 1714. Okay, it might come here, let's say, does this, and after this it will move upside. So again, there will be like A, B, C kind of a structure, or a triangle or upside or upside. Okay. So overall structure is for the buy, or option selling is good here, here and here. So you can expect some consolidation in between these two areas. Once it crosses, we can exit those sold options. LNT. So earlier we were in the buy. So structurally hasn't changed much. If maybe doing the structure that of the ABC kind for the downside, and after the one correction has ended, it will be going to go for the upside. So here, as it crosses the low level, but I'm not comfortable to buy here, sell here. So I'll be comfortable to buy above 1420 for once again for the upside. Because below this, it might go downside to the level of this, but I'm not very comfortable because here it has done some ABC kind and some complex correction. After that, it will be going to go for upside. So look for buy in case of LNT2. What about Nifty we have done? So silver, sorry, Reliance. Yeah, so Reliance we were in the sell. So once it crosses the line, so now it is going to go for the downside. The overall structure is for the like in between these two consolidation area or a correction. Okay, so I'm taking this as the maximum. So here we can take this as a downside. So if it is a faster, what we can expect a consolidation and then one more up, then a down. So there it will be like a doing ABC kind of a structure, right? So this might happen. So overall it's consolidating in between Reliance. So there is no buy sign. One can look for the sell for 1896 or something. TCS. So we were in the sell once it crosses the trend line. If it is not crossing the trend line, but it comfortably crossed the trend line or a channel. So now the new structure will be this. Okay. So we can look for 80%, how the structure behaves like A, B, and C. So it might go to the level of 80%. Visually, I'm taking maybe to the level of this. As per the Fibonacci, we can take 3227. So overall structure is for the buy until and unless it crosses the level of 30 once again. Don't look for the sell. Okay. Or 3000, below 3000 you can look for the sell, otherwise you can stay in a buy. You may expect some correction here, but after that it will go one more up and down. That can be expected in case of TCS. And one more we can see now, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance for the buy, it is consolidating, it might come to the down, but overall structure is for the upside, so look for the buy, not for the sell. Okay, this is for the this week. So if you find useful to this video, share among your friends and try to follow the basic rules of trend line and the trend following system and the two-stage confirmation. For more information, you can subscribe for further updates, or you can even ask for the link for group membership after WhatsApp. Okay, there you will be getting so many peoples and so many means experts. They'll be helping you out in your queries. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a profitable weekend. Please do take your financial experts' advice before taking any trading decisions or investing decisions. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful weekend. Wonderful week.